Hi, welcome, Suswagatam. Myself, Nitin Zadav, RZP School, Dahigaon Center, Karjat. Standard 5th, Unit 3, Topic Know Your Body. Page number 36. Our body has many parts. All parts are special. Read the following facts to learn how special they are. The first part of our body, it is the brain. Brain, it is the main organ of the human nervous system. The brain manages most of our body's activities and process. The brain keeps working even when you are sleeping, so it continually works and it thinks continuously. That is the main part of human nervous system. It is brain. Then the next organ of human body, it is eyes. With the help of that, we can see nature, we can see many things and world. We have two eyes, but we see one picture at a time. Both eyes are important. We must take care of our eyes as well as we must clean it properly because it is a delicate organ of human body. With the help of that, we are getting more than 80% knowledge or information. So that's why we always take care of our eyes. Now see the next part, that is nose. It is sensory organ of human body. Our nose can remember 50,000 different scents or smell. So it is the main part. It detects odor or smell. With the help of nose, we take air, respiration and serves the sense of smell. So it is the main part of human body. Now see the next part, that is skin. Skin, it is the largest sense organ of the human body. It protects our body from mechanical impact and pressure, temperature, ultraviolet, etc. So there are millions of bacteria on our body, on our skin, but most of them are harmless. Then the next part or organ, that is bone. We know that small babies have around 300 bones in their body. As they grow up, the bones fused together. Grown ups have fewer bones than babies. There are 206 bones in their body. So it is the main part of our body. The major function of the skeletal or bone system are body support. Okay, understood? Okay, so in the same way, we have learned about all the human body parts or organs like brain, nose, eyes, skin, and bones. So, in the same way, we must take care of all the parts. Thank you. Dhanyavad.